नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का इस नए वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में मैं आज आपको बताऊंगा वैल्यू ऑफ एन आईआईएम टैग। अगर आप कंफ्यूज हैं कि आपको कौन सी कॉलेज में जाना है, अगर आपके पास कॉल्स आईआईएम से भी है और नॉन आईआईएम से भी है, तो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि आईआईएम्स में जाना चाहिए क्योंकि अब आईआईएम टैग मिलेगा। कुछ लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि यार आईआईएम से बेटर रैंक कॉलेज नॉन आईआईएम्स है तो मुझे उसमें जाना चाहिए। तो आज मैं आपके उन सवालों का जवाब दूंगा। आज मैं आपकी वो दुविधा जो है उसे क्लियर करने की कोशिश करूंगा। तो आज मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने ऐसे 4 लोगों को डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आईएम से कॉल पे लिया था और उनसे मैंने पूछा कि उनके हिसाब से, क्योंकि वो इंडस्ट्री में ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं, आईएम से ऑलरेडी ग्रेजुएट कर चुके हैं, तो उनसे मैंने पूछा कि वो क्या समझते हैं कि आईएम टैग से उन्हें क्या फायदा हुआ है, या फिर आईएम टैग की क्या उनको बेनिफिट्स मिली है इंडस्ट्री में जाने के बाद, या फिर जब वो रिक्रूट हो रहे थे। तो ये सब जानने की मैंने कोशिश करी है और अभी मैं उनकी रिकॉर्डिंग्स चलाऊंगा और अभी जो है मैं उनके व्यूज आपको दिखाऊंगा कि उनकी क्या व्यूज है। तो मैंने क्या किया दोस्तों, मैंने जो है वो डिफरेंट आईएम्स से, डिफरेंट कैटेगरी ऑफ आईएम्स से लोगों को पूछा। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने सिर्फ टॉप आईएम्स के लोगों से पूछा था, इनफैक्ट मैंने बेबी आईएम्स, न्यू आईएम्स और अच्छे आईएम्स हैं जैसे कि आईएम इंदौर, आईएम कोईकोड, वैसे आईएम्स एंड प्लस द टॉप आईएम्स है जो एबीसी हैं, जो आईएम अहमदाबाद, आईएम बैंगलोर, कैलकाटा। तो मैंने उन 4 कैटेगरीज में से 4 लोगों को पूछा इसी बारे में, मेरे जो इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, जो उनसे कनेक्टेड है, और उनकी मैंने राय ली। और तो मैं आपको उनकी राय बताऊंगा और उससे आपको शायद ये क्लियर हो जाए कि आप अगर इन कैटेगरीज के आईएम्स में पढ़ते हो तो आपको क्या बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं, अगर हैं तो। चलिए फिर आपको व्यूज बताते हैं दोस्तों इन आईएम पास आउट्स की।
So first up we have Ashish Chunjanwala with us. Ashish has done his MBA from IIM Calcutta and has been a rank holder there. He's completed his Chartered Accountancy, CS, CFA and FRM courses. He completed his summer internship at Gaia Capital and has previously worked with Goldman Sachs and Boston Consulting Group. He was awarded with the City Leader Award in 2019 and got a staggering 99.9 percentile in CAT 2017. Let's see what Ashish has to say about the value of an IM tag.
So your IAM tag would normally help you in two ways. First would be getting or securing a job, and second would be your alum base. Usually the campus arranges for the campus placements within the campus, but in case a student is not able to get the desired job inside the campus, he can easily go off campus and apply to companies. The IAM tag ensures that you are either able to get an interview call or even able to convert that easily. Also within the firm, when you go and join the firm, you realize that there are a lot of alums or seniors working in the firm, and they are very helpful to the fellow IM mates, and there's always a feeling of cohortness. In the middle term, when you're looking for job changes, so definitely your work experience or previous experiences matter a lot, but also the IM tags help you easily to switch jobs, and also you can easily connect to your seniors or your alum base to actually look for job changes. In the long term, what happens is that a lot of people want to switch their careers or go into entrepreneurship and business. So there your network plays a very important role. We have a popular saying at IIM Calcutta that your network is your net worth. So for 10 years down the line, the alum base really plays a very important role when you're actually leading a company or a CEO of a company, or you started something, a venture on your own. So your alum base and IM tag would definitely be very helpful.
Thank you, Ashish, for sharing your views. Next up, we move to Shruti Memani. Shruti has completed her MBA from IIM Indore. She's a CFA Level 2 and has done her summer internship at CGS CIMB Securities. She's currently working with Tata Communications and has very actively participated in corporate competitions. Let's see what she has to say about the value of an IM tag that she holds.
Well, the IM tag, I believe, is worth its while for a number of reasons. The brand name of a premier institute like an IIM resonates with almost every person. It instills a sense of confidence in the person's ability to tackle challenges and solve problems with a different approach. In a sense, it's like the halo effect. This is also true of many premium institutes across the world. The tag comes with its fair share of expectations. In the short term, while the IM tag has the ability to open a window of opportunities, like the ability to study at great places or to be working with the best of companies in their flagship roles, however, I think ultimately it's upon a person's own ability of how they can handle tough situations and be flexible in their nature to aim for personal development and grow through their careers. A person might have started out in a startup at a lesser known institute, but having gathered the right kind of experiences and forming the right kind of networks, they might reach at greater heights, which a person from an IIM might not be able to. The brand only takes you so much by providing a head start in the initial years, and then I think ultimately it's the work experiences and these demonstrated skills which matter in the longer term. So, yes, success comes in many shapes and forms. It's just a mix of the right amount of hard work and luck. And definitely, an IIM is a small window to get there via the established networks, the peer groups, and academic association. There are no limit to opportunities which are also otherwise available if a person just does the right amount of work that's required.
Thank you, Shruti. Next, we have Shreyan Tharad. Shreyan is an IIM Ranchi pass out and has been a ranker in his time. He's completed his CFA and also his FRM. He's also completed the first 7 papers of actuaries. He completed his summer internship at SOTC in Finance and Strategy and is currently working as a private wealth manager at Anand Rathi Wealth Management. He's also done his BSc in Economics from the London School of Economics and got a staggering 99 percentile plus in all of his examinations that he appeared in 2016 for MBA. Notably, he got a 99.12 in CAT and a 99.43 in ZAT. Let's see what he has to say about the value of an IIM tag.
The benefits of an IIM tag are multifold. A. It starts as soon as you enter the college and start interacting with the professors. These professors are research oriented and you can pursue a very specific interest under their guidance, which could lead to multiple publications. B. Let's look at how the IIM tag helps the career. In the short term, there are a lot of case studies and competitions which open only for IIMs and not other colleges. This exposes the students to multiple companies, their operations, and helps ponder on multiple disciplines and come to a well thought out plan of action, preparing them for the corporate world. In terms of placements, the companies and more importantly the roles which are on offer would generally be a little better than offered at other B schools. In the midterm, say you get a sales role, of course your pitch will matter, but the IIM credibility itself does half the work for you, and that goes a long way in something like achieving monthly targets. While working as well, a positive perception is created about the quality of work you deliver. Moreover, switching companies becomes relatively easier. In the long term, say for senior leadership roles, the experience and subject matter experience will of course play the primary role. But what can push your case forward is the IIM brand. I heard and read about these benefits while I was preparing for the entrance exams, and I can say this holds true at least till the midterms. We'll see how it goes from here. Undoubtedly, an IIM tag opens doors for you that might not even be present for others.
Thank you so much, Shreyan, for sharing your opinion. And lastly, we have Rohan Raj. Rohan has completed his MBA from IIM Amritsar. He's currently working with Anand Rathi Wealth Management as a management trainee and has done his summer internship at Safe Express. Let's see what Rohan's views are on this topic.
3 years ago, I decided to join a new IIM. There were many questions and uncertainties. Fortunately, all my worries were put to rest over time. A new IIM has its own set of pros and cons compared to the old ones. One thing that I realized was that nothing was served on a platter. I had to fight through the challenges, but it was enterprising. One of the big advantages that the old IIMs have is that they have a pretty impressive alumni network, and it helps a lot. This is one thing which will take its own free time for the new IIMs. Now, I got an amazing opportunity to work in a leading financial services firm, which I owe it to my institution. But from here on, I feel it is how I perform will matter more than the name of the institution I belong to. I'm pretty confident that the skills and the experience I have gained during my MBA will help me a long way in what I desire to achieve.
Thank you, Rohan, for sharing your opinion.
तो दोस्तों ये थी चारों स्टूडेंट्स की व्यूज जो आईआईएम से ऑलरेडी पास आउट कर चुके हैं और आशा करता हूं कि आपके जो क्वेश्चंस हैं IIM टैग को लेकर, कुछ लोग ऐसे सोचते होंगे कि IIM टैग बहुत रेलेवेंस रखता है, कुछ ऐसे सोचते होंगे कि यार अगर टॉप IIM नहीं है तो जाकर फायदा नहीं है। तो आपके जो भी मन में डाउट्स थे, आशा करता हूं कि क्लियर हो चुके होंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, और अगर आपकी कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस हैं IIM के टैग या कुछ भी चीज को रिलेटेड, कॉलेज के रिलेटेड, तो आप उसे भी कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे पूछ सकते हैं। इसी के साथ दोस्तों इस वीडियो में इतना ही। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।